remember that end behavior talks about what is happening to the far left and the far right of our polynomial. We notice that we have some patterns when we look at our leading coefficient or term. So if we take a look at our first example here, which is the f of x equals 4x squared plus x plus 1, we notice that our leading coefficient of 4 is positive. Our degree, or highest exponent, is an even number. 2 is even. Which means that our end behavior should both go upwards. If we take a look at this function, it should look like this, a u, or a parabola, with both ends going up. Let's take a look at our second function here. So we notice that our leading coefficient is negative. Our degree is even. And we've already got it filled in, our end behavior here. It should go down. And so if we sketched a quick graph of this, it would look like a parabola going down in both directions. Our third example, the f of x equals 7x to the third minus 4, has a positive leading coefficient, has an odd degree, which means that we should start down and end up. This should happen for every positive odd function. And if we take a look at the graph of this, you'll notice that it looks like an S starting down and going up. Our last example, we have a negative leading coefficient. We have an odd degree, which means because it's going to be flipped from our previous example, we are going to start up and end down. If we take a look at the graph, we have an S that is flipped from our positive degree of 3. It starts up and it ends down.